This is Marty with Elephant Surf, and this is the apparel for summer 2011.
It's time to tear this place down.
We added a zip hoodie to the lineup this year. It's a salt and pepper gray with a full zip. Features an embroidered patch on the left chest, a hand-printed tagless label, and a couple of other little details.
I find myself in custody with each and every question. What's come?
This was the winner of a vote by our customers. It's called the San Diego Skyline, and it features our city's silhouette sitting on top of our most popular design from 2010, which was the Giant E. It's printed on a 50/50 tee, so it's super soft, almost a vintagey feel.
Where did that label go? I tried it.
We also produced a very limited edition midnight version of the San Diego Skyline. It's the same specs as the original, but it's printed on a charcoal shirt, and it's only available in limited sizes and quantities.
Over. Take only one thing spare to wear. Head for the check-in lights and